Before JBL became a global sound icon, there was one engineer with one idea. James B. Lansing Vintage Workshop First Loudspeaker. JBL. JBL began building speakers designed to push sound farther, clearer, and louder. First kick enters. Then JBL entered the place where music was born, the recording studio. Engineer, mixing console, JBL studio monitors. Then came the moment that helped prove JBL could move an entire generation. Woodstock crowd, massive stage, speakers, crowd, reaction! JBL was no longer only for professionals. The sound was coming home. Vintage JBL 100. Living room family listening to music. Hit the road! Then JBL moved from the living room to the road. Classic car dashboard, JBL car speakers highway. The world becomes the stage. Stadiums, concerts, JBL sound was getting bigger.
Cinema, stadiums, concerts
Giant speaker.
was getting bigger.
Then the speaker became something you could carry anywhere.
Portable JBL.
Became something you could carry anywhere.
Portable
JBL entered new worlds, from gaming to supporting the next generation of artists.
gaming headset.
Gaming headset.
JBL.
Gaming headset.
JBL.
Gaming headset.
From one engineer
To recording studios.
from Woodstock
To stadiums.
from the living room
To the open road.
to the open road
To the speaker in your hands.
to the speaker in your hands.
80 years later,
JBL
is still making sound people can hear, feel, and remember.
for the industry.
Use
JBL
80 years of sound.
1946.
2026.
Hear it, feel it.
Remember it.